Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Poco C71 and Redmi A5 4G. There is no much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Both two phones come with 6.8 inches IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the same hardware features. Camera features. They offer two rear cameras, 32 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two devices come with 5200 mAh batteries. Next compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.